Hey guys, how you doing? It's Chef Alan here from the Body Holiday in beautiful St. Lucia. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade smoothie. Obviously you're in isolation and you might be able to get some nut milks or whatever. So we'll start with 600 mils of water. Now I've got cashew nuts today. It's probably about 200 grams. I'm going to just throw them in there like so. Now again, you could use almonds, pistachios, hazelnuts, macadamia nuts, walnuts, or a combination of all. Pop them into the blender and I'm going to turn that blender on for 2 minutes on high speed. And there it is, guys. 2 minutes, you have beautiful, fresh nut milk. Again, this is the cashew nut milk, like I said before, almonds, macadamia nuts, pistachios, walnuts. You've got kids, you want to add a bit of chocolate cocoa in there, organic cocoa, you get a nice healthy chocolate milk. It's fantastic. Now we're going to turn this into a smoothie. Now, I'm doing a banana smoothie today. We've got lovely fresh bananas here still in season in St. Lucia. They're absolutely gorgeous, nice and sweet. I'm just going to literally pop that in, like so. And we love the pomegranate juice. So just a little bit of pureed pomegranate juice. Again, full of antioxidants, one of the best things you can ever have. Popping that in there as well. I've got some goji berries, which are pretty much available anywhere. However, you could use blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries. So we're putting this in here. And then we have some nice kiwi fruit. Again, 4 times the amount of vitamin C that a normal orange has. And that's going in like so. Now, people say bananas, your blood sugar spikes. So we're using cinnamon, which helps to regulate your blood sugar. So it gives it a nice curve. Okay, I'm going to pop a little bit of that in. It also tricks your body into thinking you're having something sweet. So it's a good way to think of having the breakfast. I've got a bit of the protein powder. We're using a vegan one. But again, it's up to you if you want to use whey, pea protein, etc. And I've just got some very nice blueberries which we've just lightly cooked. And again, blueberries full of antioxidants, great flavour, and they're going to go in there as well. If you fancy a little bit of carbohydrate, throw in some gluten-free oats, maybe just a small handful. That really is the complete breakfast, especially if you're in a hurry. Not that you'll be going anywhere for the next couple of weeks. Pop them like this, and we'll just put this back on. And literally is 1 minute from now. That's all we're going to do. And there you go, guys. It's a fantastic, quick and easy and very nutritious way to get some of the immune busting superfoods into your system very quickly. And again, with the fruits, really it's anything you got in the fridge. You could use pineapple, papaya, mangoes, any of the berries we discussed, plums, nectarines, apricots. I mean, it's up to you, whatever you want to throw in. If you want to do a green one, absolutely. Instead of the banana, just use an avocado. Fantastic with kale, with spinach, any leafy greens, some broccoli, some courgettes. Just throw that in, whiz it up, and you got a nice green one. So there it is, guys. Hope it's been some help for you. Here are 2 lovely smoothies, and this will last at least a day in the fridge. So if you make a big extra like I do, because they're going to go quickly. Thank you very much, and see you soon at the Body Holiday. Ciao.